The question is, a two-digit number is 6 times the sum of its digits. The number formed by reversing the digit is 9 less than the given number. Find the number. Let x and y are the digits. Let x be the tens position and y be the ones position. So our number, the required number form is 10x plus y. Now, as per the first condition, a two-digit number is 6 times the sum of its digits. So, according to that, our number is 10x plus y, that is equal to 6 times x plus y. So, solving this, 10x plus y is equal to 6x plus 6y. That is equal to 4x equal to 5y, or x is equal to 5 by 4y. So this is marked as equation 1. So in the next condition, the number formed by reversing its digit is less than 9 less than the given number. Our original number is 10x plus y. So we are reversing it. That means 10y plus x. This is equal to the original number minus 9. 10x plus y minus 9. So solving this, 10y plus x is equal to 10x plus y minus 9. So that means 9x minus 9y is equal to 9. Dividing the entire equation by 9, we will get x minus y is equal to 9. So here we will get the value of x as 5 by 4 y. X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Substituting values x as 5 by 4 y, that is equal to 5 by 4 y minus y is equal to 1. Multiplying the entire by 4, we will get 5y minus 4y is equal to 4. That's equal to y is equal to 4. We will get the value of y. The second equation, x minus y is equal to 1. Substitute the value of y here. X minus 4 is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 5. So we will get the value of x and y as 5 and 4. So our original number is 10x plus y. That implies 10 into 5 plus 4. That is equal to 54. This is the number. Required number is equal to, required number is 54. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12